Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix a PS controller is not working with DS4 Windows. So it really doesn't matter if you have PS4, PS5 controller, I will show you what you need to do here. So first, after you set up DS4 Windows and you turn on your controller via Bluetooth or USB or cable, you should see that your controller is connected here. So what you need to do next is to go to settings and make sure to select hide the DS4 controller so your controller will not glitch out. And another thing that you need to do here, you need to go to profiles, then double click on default, and then you need to go to other, and here make sure emulated controller selected Xbox 360, and then don't forget to save changes, and your controller, your PS4, PS5 controller should be working just fine on Forza Horizon 6. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.